Hi, this is John from GPS Training. What we're doing in this short video is just doing an unboxing of the new Montana range. Just before I do a quick unboxing, I'm just going to quickly speak about the range so people know which one's which, and then I'll just unbox one of them. So we have the Montana 700, 700i and 750i. So 700i is the basic model, but it still comes with barometric altimeter, 3-axis compass, and it's got the Garmin Topo Active mapping pre-installed, as all the models do. All compatible now with Garmin Connect and Garmin Explore app is the modern way now we can get tracks and routes on our GPS unit without having to use Garmin Basecamp. The 700i is exactly the same, but we now have the addition of the InReach technology. That's what the I stands for, which is Garmin's two-way satellite communication. We also have the SOS button on the side. The other thing that the I version has is what's called City Navigator, which is your Garmin's like car sat nav technology, or for motorcycles or road navigation as well. That's also got auto updates, as well as the Topo Active mapping having auto updates. 750i is exactly the same as the 700i, but we now have the 8 megapixel built-in camera. So that's the full range. I say the addition of the InReach technology and the City Navigator, and then the addition in the 750i of the 8 megapixel camera. So that's the Garmin range of Montana GPS units. So we'll go to unboxing. We'll just unbox one of the units, and then we can see exactly what we get inside of it. It's quite a big box for Garmin. I'm quite impressed by the size of the box. So when we opened it up the other day, I was quite impressed. So opening it up, we can see inside it, and there we are. A Montana 700i. Quite a big GPS unit. You'll see some of the videos where I've done some reviews comparing it to the Montana 600 or 610 rather. So there we are, there's our GPS unit. It's now got a built-in lithium battery, which is not in there by standard, and of course it's got the SOS button on the side. So that's our first thing out of the box. As we have inside, we of course have the lithium battery, which is the first time that we've seen this lithium battery on a GPS unit, an interchangeable lithium battery. There is also a AA battery pack that you can put in the 700 version, but Garmin is saying you can't put in the 700i or the 750i. I think it'd be something to do with the voltage and the utilising the InReach technology. So interchangeable, you can buy these separately. They are about £53–55 for them, but again, you might be able to get them cheaper elsewhere. USB cable, which is how we can plug it into the computer, and of course our manual, which is a 700, 750i or 700i, 750i manual. So that's what we get in it. Not an awful lot in it really. So manual, USB cable, your battery, and that all sits in there. And then we get our GPS unit on there. Really, we've been hugely popular with it. Thanks to everybody so far who's bought them from ourselves. We're a fantastic response so far on it. As you know, if you buy a GPS unit from ourselves here at GPS Training, we're not just sending that box with a GPS unit in with it. We set that GPS unit up, and we also give you free access to our online training. We've actually got 50 training videos of how to use the Montana 700 range. So to summarise, Montana 700 range, 700 is the base model, 700i with the InReach technology and the City Navigator, and then the 750i has the InReach technology and also the City Navigator and also this 8 megapixel camera. If you have any questions, please put them below, or alternatively, please get in touch with ourselves here at GPS Training. Just go to gpstraining.co.uk. You'll see some reviews on our website. If you click on reviews, I've done an in-depth review with some videos on our website, and also if you just click on the news section, we've got a VIP list and various interviews with Garmin and things. So very much thanks for watching, and again, if there's anything that we can help you with, please do get in touch.